Father. He is my father who is very disciplined person. He is so very strict when it comes to his children. He is a policeman who ignored the possible things that might happen to him. Mother, she is very patient, industrious, even though she's so tired of our business, which is our mini store. Still, she works hard just to support our needs. So much thankful to God for this very special woman in our lives. Grandmother, she is my grandmother. She is the one who took care of me when I was a child. That's why I am very thankful to God. Reminds me my limitations. Who always there for me when I have a problem in my family. She was also a professional nurse and a professional teacher. Major in science. She was blessed by 3 children and a very intelligent husband whose profession is computer engineer. That makes me happy and makes me remember my childhood stage. I love their being naughty. This is Micah, this is Eunice, and this is Taba Ching Ching Baby. Ibe. They are my uncle and my auntie. I miss them so much. They lived in Canada for their work. They love me so much. They did not forget to remind me the importance of education. They are the one who encouraged me to finish my studies. This is my Tito Obetong and Tita Bioli. They are so very thoughtful and a very good encourager to me. They always advise me about my education and about my classmates.
Ayan o, tapos paano i-continue?
Wala yata.
Pag i-continue ba ito tuloy-tuloy na ito?
Nagpunta ka pa sa loob ng chapel.
Punta pa ba sa loob?
Hindi na.
Hindi na.
Pati pa doon. Diyos ko naman nakikita ako.
May ano ba yan? May...
Zoom.
Wala. Kaya nga po.
May Zoom yan.